Akala ko, overrated lang tong lens na to. But after actually using the Viltrox 75mm f1.2, bro, I was wrong. If you're thinking of getting this lens or curious kung hype lang ba siya, this video might change your mind too. Hi guys, it's Vinn and welcome back to my channel. Today, I am sharing my honest POV review of the Viltrox 75mm f1.2 Pro. Ginamit ko siya in a real shoot, portrait, casual shoot, wedding, even some video, and I'll break down kung worth it ba siya or not. Honestly, nung una medyo skeptical ako. Like Viltrox 75mm f1.2, parang too good to be true for the price. But nung nahawakan ko siya, solid yung build. Medyo heavy, yes, but it feels premium. Hindi siya cheap at all. Now, let's talk about the most important, the image quality. Grabe, sobrang sharp niya. Even wide open at f1.2, usable siya. Which is crazy. And the bokeh, ang creamy, ang smooth, perfect for portrait, wedding, talagang subject mo yung lalabas. Skin tones, pretty decent. Colors, nice and natural. Honestly, hindi ko na-expect na ganito siya kagod. Autofocus and performance. Autofocus, this one surprised me too. Mabilis siya and accurate most of the time. Hindi siya perfect, but for this kind of lens and price range, panalo na. Even for moving subjects, nakakakuha pa rin ako ng usable shots. For video shooters, yes, usable siya. May konting focus breathing but not super distracting, and that f1.2 look, cinematic agad without trying too hard. So let's talk about the pros and cons. Pros. Number 1, super sharp even at f1.2. Second is beautiful bokeh. Third is premium build quality. Fourth is great value for the price. Here are the cons. Medyo heavy, autofocus not 100% perfect, fixed focal length, so you need to move a lot. So did it change my belief? Yes, 100%. This lens went from me, maybe okay, to wait, ang galing nito ah. If you are into a portrait or wedding photography or want that dreamy look, this lens is definitely worth considering. So if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know, would you pick this over the portrait lenses? Would you pass or buy for this lens? See you on the next shoot. Peace.
Salamat sa gabay mo.